fucked tonight? Who getting fucked tonight? You getting fucked tonight? She getting fucked tonight. 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 Start calling her phone. She get fucked tonight. Going down the line, you the buster type. Knowing that you lying, we don't go for the hype. Catch up from behind, niggas know I'm a sniper. Second when I drive, baby know what I like. Spray that pussy wide, let me go for a dive. Who getting fucked tonight? You getting fucked tonight. Winning the night, whatever the price. I knock her down on the strike. I wanna finish this time. Giving me as a tax. Your pussy is my vice. I see you is on right. You getting fucked tonight.
Thank you. Period. Hey, man. Brought us popcorn, y'all. I had popcorn before at a restaurant and I didn't really understand it, but I do know Chicago is known for their popcorn, so let's see what it's giving. We was just talking about popcorn today. That's cute. Y'all want it? No, sorry. Well, welcome to Chemistry. Thank you for choosing. Thank you. Come on, Chemistry. All they gotta do, the ambiance is set, it's real grown and sexy. I'm loving that. So if the drink's hit and if the food is good, I ain't even gonna lie, if the food decent.
No, because the vibe next to you.
Yeah, like as long as the food decent, I'm cool. Okay, so let's give it a try. Our 24K goal. I ain't gonna lie, that's good. That's good. They ate down with this. Ate down to the floor.
Got that blue fever, cold as ice till you get near. You're like another fire-breathing creature, but it don't burn how it appears. It's true, you could make me melt, but don't you forget it. If the first thing you felt won't ever do for reasons, only because you ain't here.
Hello, what she say?
Still got my money.
I want
Oh, all I see is signs. All I see is dollar signs.
As long as you're couldn't care less as long as you're true leader. And not obliged, promise to please ya. If you're open fire, then it's treason. And I decide to go out swinging. If you shoot, then you can bet every single dollar and your last few cents that I will too. And I mean it. Tell me, where do we go from here? Can't feel it in the air, my clothes say, dripping everywhere. I'm all in. I don't even care as long as you're playing in my bed. I'm forget what everyone said. I'm all in. I couldn't care less as long as you're burning blue, burning blue. I'm burning blue. I'm letting it burn, letting it burn. I can feel it in the air, my clothes say, dripping everywhere. I'm all in. I don't even care as long as you're laying in my bed. I'm forget what everyone said. I'm all in. I couldn't care less as long as
could have done this at medium instead of medium well.
Room full of women and they notice me. Now they wanna listen to us, know to see.
Do you not like just Parmesan at all, or you just don't like it on your lamb?
I like it on chicken.
Would you try it on this? Or no?
I'll try. I'm gonna try anything.
Okay.
But am I gonna like it?
Cause I don't know what the lamb chops taste like, but this shit fire on this steak though.
Lamb chops alone?
They good.
I got the Mississippi root, so we stick to the basics.
Girl, me too. But baby, I eat about anything. I will try anything. And once I find what I like, that's it.
I really want to try it because that's what she said they known for. But I kind of already knew, you know.
I guess we're gonna share the knife. Ain't nobody came back.
They still get their 10s from me.
I ain't even gonna lie to you.
You want another piece? What is it?
Oh, that's good. That's fine. Man, you don't like the cheese crust? You tripping, mama? That shit good.
I'm gonna try it one more time for you. Ooh.
Or at least try it on the steak. Like, let me build your little strip of steak up. Hold on. Let me hold this up.
Bitch, got away to their birthday to go out of town. Yeah, I talk a lot of shit. You like who you think you is? Nigga, come on, bitch.
Riding.
Nigga, like the hoe. Think he got one up on me, whole tiny shit.
Not you was gonna let me go. What? Already gave.
Cook, clean, and fuck right.
You're the time and the place, so don't be shy. What you think? Come be the man I need. Call me wonderful. Be the man I need. Talk to me. Talk to me. That I need so bad. What? Talk to me. Yeah. That's an interesting song immediately after. Y'all, when I say the customer service is top tier, not they plating our food for us in our to-go trays, please and thank you.
I ain't gonna lie. If y'all in Chicago, make our way down to Chemistry. And it's just dinner. I know brunch go crazy.
I know the brunch is insane.
I know the brunch go crazy.
And let's talk about the fact that it's black on.
Huh? Black on look.
Clock that tea, okay? Clock it. 10 out of 10 experience. We'll be back again. Like, love everything about it though. Seriously.
Complete this case. A bitch like me can't go for nothing. Huh? Know what's in my cup. When I leave the club, consider that nigga fuck. When you mention me, don't forget rich and fuck. Pussy squeaky clean, but I got junk up in the trunk. When a real one hold you down, babe, you supposed to drink. You ain't never fuck with no boss bitch, I turned you out. You won't catch me in no sharp boots, I burnt them out. Bitch, she got away to their birthday to go out of town. Brokey, yeah, I talk a lot of shit. He like who you think you is, nigga.
Camera. Hold on. They play my stuff. He trying to turn me up. Turn us up. What a DJ. He trying. Exactly. Y'all don't want that. It don't matter. Dang, I got a wrong way. It's my birthday. Don't turn me up. It's my birthday. Turn me up. Give me me.
Treat you like a show you want to roll with a good girl. Do it big, do it all for a good girl. One time, this is a song for the good girl. Don't sleep when you know you got a good girl. One time, this is a song for the good girl. Wanna roll with a good girl. One time, this is a song for the good girl. And I still keep it real, still treat you like a show. What's up?
Named up, it's my time. We're at the kingdom. Alone, my heart is away. All that I can think of.